Are you an entrepreneur struggling to grow your business? Do you need a website or digital marketing services but don't have the time and skills to do it all by yourself? Introducing SANS Technologies. We are a one-stop solution for your website and digital marketing needs. Our team of experts specializes in website design and development, website renovation and migration. We also offer expert SEO and digital marketing services. Thinking why you need a website? Your website is a 24/7 salesperson for your business. Our professional websites can help you achieve your business goals. With our SEO service, we can help you appear in front of your target audience and make more sales. Our digital marketing services can take your business to the next level. Doing all of these for your business is vital but not very easy if you try to do it all by yourself. That's why you should let our team of experts help you out. Partner with us and thank us later for the success of your business. We make business growth simpler for you. Contact SANS Technologies today for all your website and digital marketing needs.